Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to see replies on X. So let me open X on my phone, and I want to go to whatever post that I want to read replies to, and I want to open its details by simply tapping here at the top. And now if you scroll down, you will see here comments and replies that this post has. And also you can sort them by tapping here and filtering them by latest, relevant, or likes. Also, if you want to see your replies on your profile, then you have to tap your profile picture at the top left and go to your profile. And as you can see, I have several tabs such as posts, replies, highlights, etc. And you want to enter replies, tap, and here you will see your replies on X platform. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.